Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5A, that is Riva or Rova. Here you can see this is Redmi 5A. Let's add the specification of this ROM. You will get Android version 11 in this ROM. Here you can see this is the Brave OS Rasmalai. Here you can see 4.0 Rasmalai Xiaomi Redmi 5A official ROM. This is the official release. Thago Lohit maintainer. Name Android version 11. Here you can see this is based on Android 11. January security patch 2021. Features of this ROM. We will also check the gaming review of this ROM. How is the performance of the gaming in this ROM? Here you can see Jio is working perfectly, no problem in the Jio, and BSNL dual SIM is working perfectly, and the Wi-Fi is working perfectly, and the hotspot is also working perfectly. There is no restart of hotspot in this ROM, so don't worry. And the Bluetooth, here is the Bluetooth, you can easily pair. I have already connected, so here is the device. Let me connect it. Bluetooth is working perfectly. Here you can see Bluetooth, and the battery icon will also come. Here you can see 40% battery, and the battery icon is also coming in the status bar. Volt is working perfectly, no problem in the volt. Here you can see volt 2. Here is the display. Let's check the brightness level. Automatic brightness level is working perfectly. Here is the night light is also working. Intensity is also working. Schedule, you can schedule it according to your use. Adaptive brightness working perfectly. Here is the wallpapers. There are no wallpapers available offline, so you can download it according to your use. Rotate screen is working perfectly. Lock screen, here is the lock screen. You can change the DP also, display size, font size, you can change it according to your use. Here is the always on display. Edge notification is also working perfectly, there is no problem. Here is the advanced setting of the edge notification, ambient display, hand wave, pocket pulse, wake on the gestures is also available. Always, if you don't want to enable always, you can enable it on pickup, hand wave. You can choose it according to your use. Let me show you the always on display. I think it is turned off by me. Here you can see. Let me check. Here you can see always on display is working perfectly, no problem in the always on display. I have already tested, so don't worry. There is no reboot of always on display. Here is the camera. Camera performance is not good in this ROM. You can flash the Google camera also. Dark theme is also available. You can enable the dark theme. Here is the dark theme. There is no other dark theme available from here. Status bar, let's check the status bar. Double tap to sleep is also available. Here you can see it works perfectly, no problem in the double tap to sleep. Icon manager is also available. You can manage the volt icon if volt icon is not coming. Customization, here is the customization. Asian color is also available. Black, ocean, space, pixel blue, carbon. Purple is also available. Let me show you the purple. Here you can see you can change it according to your use. I have changed it to purple, from blue to purple. Body font is also available. OnePlus Note Google Sans is also available. You can change it according to your use. It works perfectly. Icon shape is also available. Pebble, here you can see. Let me show you icon shape. Here you can see it works perfectly. Squirrel, let me show you. It changes according to your use. Icon pack is also available. Here is the icon pack USP plus oxygen. Victor, Sam, rounded is also available. You can change it according to your use. Main icon pack. Sound, here is the sound. Sound is working perfectly, no problem in the sound and the Geo application, and the Bluetooth is also working. Bluetooth sound is also working. Vibration is also working. Vibration on navigation bar is also working. All the navigation 3-button navigation bar is working perfectly. Touch sound is also working, but right now you will not hear the touch sound because I have enabled the Bluetooth. Let me turn off the Bluetooth. It does not turn off automatically. There is no reboot in the hots in the Bluetooth. It was perfectly. Touch sound is little bit low. Security, here is the security. Let's check the face unlock. How fast is the face unlock? If we use the face unlock, how secure is the face unlock? It can easily detect the face unlock. There is no problem in the face unlock. Let's check whether it works or not. Here you can see I successfully added the face unlock. Let's check the speed of the face unlock. How fast is the fingerprint face unlock, sorry. Here you can see right now face unlock is little bit slow, taking more time. Here you can see fingerprint face unlock is a little bit slow, not good. It's average. Fingerprint is average. Face unlock is average. Location is working perfectly. No need of any fixed file. It works perfectly, and the battery performance of this ROM is good. And let's check the battery percentage and the battery info. Last charge 61 minutes ago. Screen usage since full charge 1 hour 9 minutes. There is no battery usage. Where is the usage? Here you can see this is the usage. Only I have used Call of Duty for 12 minutes. Web launcher I have already tested, so I have re-flashed this ROM. Here is the account. You have to flash the open gaps separately. It is not included. Here is the system gestures. If you want to use the gestures is available. 2 button is not working right now. Only gesture navigation is working. There is no option to enable the navigation bar. So these all are the features of this ROM. I have told you each and every feature. Battery, here is the 6.59 GB storage free, but there are few applications installed like PUBG, not PUBG, Call of Duty. We will test the Call of Duty gaming ROM, gaming performance in this ROM. Here are the few applications. Let's check the MyGeo application whether it works or not, or your device is pre-rooted. I have already rooted my device to install the Call of Duty to transfer the OBB file. Here you can see rooted device detected, so I have already rooted. Before installing Magis, UI was working perfectly. Here is the root explorer. Safety net. Let's check the safety net. Safety net is not passed after rooting my device. If you want the PUBG test, so I will have to root my device all Android 11 ROMs because it is failed, because I cannot transfer the files to OBB without root. Here you can see safety net is failed, safety net request success, and the other responsive nature is failed, validation is failed. Here the Android 11 root access available because I have already rooted. It is not rooted. Root access available. Magis manager. Here you can see Selenium unable to determine, terribly supported. Seamless update is not supported. Let's add that to the benchmark score. What is the score of this ROM? We will also get the gaming performance, so don't worry. 65,391 score, defeated 1% of the users. Here you can see CPU performance. Here is the CPU performance. Here is the score. GPU score is very low, so I don't think the gaming performance of this ROM is good. We will check, so don't worry. Here is the 2.8 increase in the temperature, 27.7 degree with the highest, and a 3% drop in the battery. Now let's check the gaming performance of this ROM. We will play Call of Duty, and let's check the graphics setting. Let audio and graphic quality is low, and we will change the frame rate to high. Now let's check whether it lags or not. It will lag 100%, but we will check how much is the lag in this ROM. Where is the enemy? Where is the enemy? You can see in the starting you will feel the lag only in the starting, but after few minutes, after playing for few seconds or 1 minute, the lag will be zero, so there will be not enough lag. You will be able to play it very. Here you can see there is no lag, or now there is zero lag in this ROM while playing. So you can install this ROM according to your specification of your device. My phone is 3 GB RAM. My phone RAM is 3 GB and 32 GB ROM. Here you can see now there is no lag, only you will feel lag in the starting. Here you can see it is working smoothly without any problem, and the graphics is maximum at. Here you can see. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe my channel for daily updates.